Alright, welcome back, Generals, to another Let's Fix the Generals at Zero Hour to make the best game ever. Last video I worked on textures, but now probably we need to make another detour into Python scripts because there is requirement. DM Green has created a lot of text fixes, text changes, but that was done before I added all these comments and Ukrainian language. So now his file is severely outdated, but we have troubles merging his changes back into our big file because the merge tool is exploding with that. So we probably need to rework or make a new script to merge multi-strs. I already made a copy here. Yeah, so we did this already for merging a str language, a single str language into into one target language. And now we probably want to make it so that we can update multiple languages from one multi-str to another multi-str. So in this case, all these languages, US to Ru, basically everything except Arabic and Ukrainian. And then yeah. I would say for starters, okay, we test this, is okay. Okay, we need to be strategic here. So we have, I already put the old file here, the new file, the upgrade file, and this one. How about we call it upgrades? Just to avoid confusions. Upgrades. So this is upgrades. Okay, so this is the old or status quo. Let's call it status quo. Yeah. So the name smash status quo. Okay. Okay, so yeah, we have a lot of the code already in place. Let's starts with okay, let's delete all this here. Okay. Okay. Upgrade language for language. Okay. Yeah, how do we do it? So basically, it now loops through all the labels and then through all the language keywords, and then it checks if it's in the upgrade languages here in this list. If line starts, then if the line starts with that, then it proceeds here. Then it checks, but then this is wrong here. I'm gonna get label name. Aha, index +1. Yeah, okay. Upgrade line. Yeah. Okay, so here, first thing we need to delete this. So line is just taking a straight copy from the upgrade line, but now we need to find the correct line. I think we can keep it. Okay, upgrade. Okay, so we have upgrade line. Okay, for upgrade line. No. Okay, let's do upgrade line equals empty. Yeah, there's nothing inside. Okay, then for while while index is smaller than upgrade lines, yeah, and index smaller upgrade and isn't there starts with no case? Yeah. We have here a line lower. How about we change it to line dot lower? Oof. I think line dot lower is fine. Actually. Looking at this, actually, I think we should do starts with no case, line, and just starts with no case. Oh, hold on. Assert. Let's go back. It's not end. Okay, assert not that. I can't even type. End. That's okay, not that. Then we put this here, then we put that here, and here also not. Okay, while and not starts with no case. Here, upgrade lines, index. Let's call here upgrade index equals index +1. Yeah. Upgrade index smaller than upgrade lines and not starts with end. Yeah. And if that's the case, then if upgrade lines dot starts with upgrade language, then break. Otherwise, upgrade index +1. Yeah, so it iterates now forward through the upgrade lines to find our language, this one upgrade language that we look for. And if it finds it, then, hold on, here, upgrade line equals upgrade lines, upgrade index. Okay, and so if we have found that here, if upgrade line, then we do this stuff here with skip, and if not skip, then do this. Okay, this may work. This may work. Yeah, maybe. Let's put a breakpoint here. And let's run this. I hope it runs straight away. Yes, it does. Good. Okay, there we go. Let's see if we are not stupid. So upgrade language, empty, US. Okay, actually here we can put a break. That can be early exit. Let's put that. Break. Okay, upgrade language. So that's US now. We get an index. Upgrade line is also empty. Yeah, then we go here, upgrade index 58. It checks now the next one. And then it checks if upgrade lines at this index is that. Perhaps we should upgrade line. How about we make this a little bit easier to read? We put a upgrades of upgrade line search. Yeah, upgrade line search. Assign this. I'm struggling with variable names. And then we put this here and then this here. Makes it a little bit easier, hopefully. And then we put here if starts with this, with end, then we just break, right? Break. Then we can remove this one here. I think that's easier to digest. Okay. I think you all agree. Okay, let's go. So here, upgrade line search, and now it's US. Do we need to? I think we need to. We need to sanitize this line. So upgrade line. Upgrade line. I think we need to strip it here. Strip. Either there or we strip it before. Upgrade line. Let's strip it up here already. Maybe that's a little bit cleaner. Okay, let's try again. It does help to debug, because then you can see, okay, is my flow actually correct? And then you can make corrections as you debug. That's what I like to do. Okay, so now upgrade language is that. Upgrade line search, so this should be success, and it is. And then upgrade line puts it to this, removes the line break character, breaks out. Okay, now we have an upgrade line. Skip is false. This one should succeed, and it does. If not, skip, and then it updates this line. So now it takes this line from the other file, and this should work. Let's run it through. Okay, that finished very fast. Let's open Git. Yeah. Okay, so we have general str. Yeah. Yeah, this looks promising. This looks very promising. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay, what we need to do now is we need to, so the script works, I think, and it runs even very fast, so that's good as well. So what we need to do is we first need to create a new branch, very likely. Yeah, let's create a new branch, and then we start merging. Wait, first I've created scripts. Can you send me last file? Okay, so we need last data, but you can already start. It's okay. Okay, so we need to do, okay, first we reset this, yeah. Then we stash our current changes. By the way, my computer crashed this morning because of power outage, like local power outage. So the AI process was interrupted, and yeah, it's not running right now. So let's go to main branch. And just to make sure, let's first create a branch. So we have here Russian local new. Let's create a new Russian minus local new 2. Actually, I think you also created a branch with 2, so let's create a 3. Yeah. Okay, so first thing we do is we create a fresh copy of this to really make sure it's the latest state. Okay, So that's .str.status quo. Yeah. And then we take this script and we remove everything except Russian from here, yeah? And then we run this, okay? And then we see we should now have only non-Russian edits here. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Oof. Okay, there are some changes he did here that I don't agree with. Like, Terror Cell should not be renamed to Terrorist Cell, and widen search should not be changed to wide search. But okay, I guess that will be a separate investigation. Okay, that's actually quite a lot here. Oh. Okay, but it's good. Now we have a script that allows us to merge two STR files. Actually, the game text compiler should be able to do this as well, but oh, I think yeah, but it doesn't do it well because it will purge all the comments, and it doesn't work with our custom markers in our multi-str file. So yeah, we have to do like a custom thing for now. Okay, I realized there's a mistake in the script though. The mistake is that it doesn't correctly take this here. This is wrong. Okay, how do we fix that? So didn't we have this problem in some other merge str comments? Okay, but before we continue, let's do it the same way we've written it in other files. As end. Okay. And I think we can also merge str language. Sparia line and Okay. Didn't we have here add str language? Yeah, we worked here with this with a subblock, right? In add str language. Yeah. Oof. Okay, so I think we need to search for yeah. If line starts with yours. Yeah. By the way, here we can also upgrade. Let's take this one here. Third not starts with no case line and make it consistent here. Do we have some more ends here? No. Let's. Okay, so I think we need to have the same concept here. To say if we are in a subblock. Subblock. Yeah. Okay. Let's copy this here. So, if line starts with comment, so we're in here, right? So, here. So, if line starts with this or this. Right. So we put is in label block. Is I think there's kind of redundant information here. Would be enough if we would just set this string label name. Like then we wouldn't need this boolean, if I'm not mistaken. But okay. Let's create a is in sub label. Let's put let's make it sub label name. Yeah? Make this empty string. Then sub label name. How did we call it on the other one? Sub label. Sub label block. Yeah, let's call it sub label name. I think that's okay. So if this or this, then sub label name equals line, right? And then we say that's it, just that. And if we reach the end of our sub label block, then we say it's empty now, nothing inside, right? Let's call this end sub label name. Okay. Okay, like this. You don't even need the comment here. Actually, let's leave it. Okay, so that's already a start. Yeah, let's put a pass here. It's actually not bad. Okay, what next? So we have a sub-label name. We can say here, if we start with, no, why, okay. Okay, I think what we need to do is, I think here we need to say, let's put a elif here. Let's put another elif here. Elif. So if we have sub label name, yeah, then what do we want to do? We want to say if sub label name. Actually, we probably don't need the elif. If sub label name. Perhaps we should. How about we do upgrades sub label name and make that an empty string as well. And then we also put this thing here. Oops. Nice. So it say if line starts with this comment, if line is this, then we assign this and that. Yeah. Okay, so it's consistent now with the other one. And then we say if this line starts with the upgrade language and if sublabel name equals upgrade sublabel name, only then we take that upgrade line. Yeah, this might work. Let's see. Let's put this here. Yeah, let's run this. Let's put a breakpoint in here. Okay, that never hit. Oof. Okay, what did I do wrong? Sublabel. I think here we can, just to be sure, we can also set this to empty and do the same here. Well, not that it matters here. Okay, let's put a breakpoint here. Let's put a breakpoint here. Okay, that hits. Good. All right. So now the question is, we should get into a situation oh, I see my mistake. Here we need to use this one. Upgrade line search. Upgrade line. Yeah. Okay, let's try again. I think this now will work. Unless, of course, we made mistake again. Okay. Okay, so this, oh, okay, it doesn't work yet because we need to strip earlier. Okay, let's strip here. Yeah. Well, that will be quite expensive stripping here. That's okay. Okay, let's retry. Performance is not our main concern here. Okay, so we have a... Oh, still wrong. Oh boy. Yeah, it doesn't help that all the colors... the color doesn't help me read this. I like Visual Studio more. Okay, so now is this correct? Yes. Okay. So if this starts with... Okay, that's not true. Let's see. Upgrade language. Okay, this should be true now, and it is. Okay, great. Then let's see if we... Now it should probably be the other one, the optional. Let's see. No, it's core again. Score again. Okay. It's because it's the next language. FR, right? No, the... Okay, let's get through the languages here. Let's just run the script. Let's see what happens. Let's just see the results. Okay, so my hope is that now we got rid of this error where it copied the wrong strings from the wrong sublabels. I think it's... Yeah, looks like we fixed it. Okay, do we see any other errors? Or is this okay? Okay, how about we go... How about we take... So we have upgrade language. We want to go through all these, roux and so on, right? So how about we start with US first? Yeah, and then we work our way through. By the way, let's write all here that we have. RAR and UK. Yeah. So this should be all. US, DE, FR, ES, IT, Korean, Chinese, Portuguese, Polish. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, it should be all. Okay, then let's do the first language. It's very... Let's remove these guys here. Let's run this. Okay, so now it should be only the English changes. Okay, let's post this as... wait. I think we need to look at all of these because because maybe let's scroll over this here. It's not much. Junker, Skittling, Starlifter, Dumpster. I just remember now he pushed it already to GitHub, so we can actually let's go to GitHub. We have 187 branches, of course. So I think he just pushed 1 hour ago to this. Let's take that update here. General str. Okay, this is weird here. What is that? I don't know what's up with this thing here. That doesn't look right. Okay. Okay, let's continue with this file that we currently have. Problem is I don't know, like it's not my change. Like I don't know what's going on here, you know. So I think aha. So I think we need to revert these changes here because this is what we have changed previously. So let's reset this. Okay. Okay, so let's just update English strings, or let's update US strings. Okay. Okay, then we do the next one. DE, save, run. Okay, that is unexpected. Why does it why does it update US now? We only want to upgrade German, DE. If language in upgrade languages. Let's reset this once more. Ah, right, because, okay. We need to delete the status quo and make a new one. Right. .str.status quo. There we go. And then we need to run it. Okay, so we got this. This one we need to revert as well. This we need to revert. Reset all these. Upgrades the strings. I'm a bit suspicious of my first change. Yeah, rightfully so. Shit. We should probably search for object tag. Okay. I made mistakes. Let's open journals.str. Let's open this. Capture to yeah, so we need to revert that. Let's see if there are any others. Objects, tag. Oh, that seems to be it. Oh, it's easy to make mistakes here, but hopefully that's all. Okay, let's take this stage, amend, commit, yes. Yeah. So now basically this should be reverted. Object object tag find. Tag's not found. Okay. Then so here are the German edits. Let's stage this. Update de strings. All right. Okay, then we delete the status quo. Make another copy. .str status quo. Then we run the script against French. Where is it? Here. FR. Or maybe we run it against more, because perhaps he only touched a few things. Yeah, let's run it against all these except Russian. How about that? FR, ES, IT. Yeah. Okay, let's run. All right. Then let's see that. Okay, so this is okay. Okay. Fix some capitalization here. Okay, this one we need to revert. Reverts. Star lifter, yeah. Tech oil refinery reset. This also resets. Okay, he added a lot of minus symbols here to Spanish. Here he made a mistake. Oh, look at that. It's a nice error. Okay. Oof. So this one we need to revert. Yeah, revert this. And this. Okay, what did he do here? I have no idea what he did here. Somehow it's a different space symbol. Let's reset this change. He has done too many different changes to this file. But okay. Good. So here we upgraded all these. Upgrades FR ES IT Core ZH BP PL. Okay. Upgrade strings. Strings. Okay, let's scroll once more over this. Yeah, it wasn't really necessary to add the minus here in front of all these things. Maybe not. Okay, let's commit this. And then we can to sort my brain here. Okay, .str.status quo. Yeah, it's a bit cumbersome here, this workflow, but it's better than doing it by hand, I guess. Okay, let's do row. Yeah. And that should give us the biggest change of all. Yeah. Let's make this larger here. And stop. Oh boy. Let's search for object tech finds. Okay, I guess he touched that. I don't think I did that. Let's open that change. It was here, improved tech building objects, descriptions. We did not touch Russian. No, we did not touch Russian. So that's his edits. Okay, that's fair. Yeah. Tech. Okay, well, he touched pretty much all of them. Yeah. Okay, then I think here we just go ahead and merge it as is. Good. Let's say update row strings. And then we can also add our changes here. Add this new script. Okay. So this is add script to merge multi-str files. Yeah. Perhaps before we do that, perhaps we try to get his upgrade in there as well. Show units, values. Oof. I have your yesterday's changes sorted. But now he has more today. How about we download this new file? We call this upgrades. Yes. And then we take this, we delete that. Generals dot str dot status quo. Okay, let's run this and see what it does. Let's unstage this, yeah. Okay, so first thing we need to do is, again, revert these changes. Everything is related to tech. Okay. Yeah, it's a lot. I think this one should not be in here. Yeah, let's revert this one and this one. And camouflage, why not? He does too many changes in one go. This will be impossible to review once he opens the review for this. So he needs to split this up into, I don't know, 10, 20, 30 different changes. Like this, for example. What was it? There was something about minigunners. Probably just scrolled over it. I don't see it anymore. Okay, but this looks like it covers all, yeah. Okay, then let's create a new upgrade. I mean, he only touched US and RU, right? Upgrade all to latest 04 October 2024. Upgrade all to latest. Okay, let's take that, commit, and then I think we will add this in a different branch. Yeah. Okay, let's push this. Let's copy this name, push. No, just looked over to see, to check for mistakes I made. I pushed to new branch. Use that. You can right click origin, no, right click remotes, origin, fetch and prune, click fetch and prune. Then find Russian logo and checkout. It is now, it is up to date on latest generals.str. Good. So that should cover that. Then we can go to main branch. str minus scripts. So let's add those scripts here. add script to merge multi str strings. Yeah. I need dirt in here. No, should be okay. Okay, let's push this. All right. And then we go to pull here. Add script to merge multi-str strings. Put this on patch. Let's check if it's all good. Create pull request. Okay, squash and merge. Squash. Squash. Delete branch. And back to main. Pull. All right. Fetch and prune. Then we delete this one. And we go back to our CBN hotel branch, because that's where we dropped off with our stash. Check out stash pop, and that should work. Yeah, good. All right, so that was a short detour to str. Good. Then, okay, next stuff. Okay, so currently there is discussion about continuing efforts for a binary matching in Thyme project, because we have difficulties. We have difficulties with verifying that the code we write is actually correct. Right? So like you disassemble, decompile the original game, yeah, aka you try to make sense of the assembler to get it back into source code C++, but then obviously we make mistakes and we don't reverse engineer something the way it should be, and then it's not correct, and then we introduce bugs. Another worry is that we have too many bugs already in Thyme, and the deviation is great, and it's not good. We need to improve this, and also it's very draining to review. Like if we write source code and then someone has to verify that it's all correct, then it's a pain to actually verify this. So now the idea is to get the effort straight for the reverse engineering, for the binary matching. Okay, so there is there's the assembly armada. Yeah, let's go there. Here, Omniblade. So he has started a project called unassemblize. Unassemblize. Okay, let's create a fork of this. Yeah, unassemblize. x86 disassembler to extract reassemblable assembly. Okay, let me try to read that one more time. x86 disassembler to extract reassemblable assembly. Okay, everything clear? Okay, let's create the fork. Yeah. Wait, does it only have one branch? 2 branches? I only see PDB support. What about that? Why is this not submitted to mainline? Because it's not building. It's a work in progress. The problem is ProcTP. I have no clue what's going on here. That's not a good start. Well, I guess the first step would be to see if we can actually build it or not. But I don't know if I can contribute to this because I have no understanding of this thing. Absolutely zero. Yeah, the question is, can I build this? Can I manage to get this built? Let's copy this. Clone. No revision found. No idea what that means. Yeah, so how is this built? There's a CMake. I think we have a CMake built here. I have not used CMake GUI in a while, so I don't know if we... Let's put CMake in here. CMake GUI. Where's the source code? So if we go assembly, we had to build binaries. I don't know if this will work. Environments. No clue. Question is, how does it know which generator to use? Ah, here. Okay. Okay, let's generate it for 2022. Yeah, I guess just default. Yeah. Okay. Okay, there's no errors. It's good. Let's see if it generates, and it does. Okay, I'm surprised. That went smoother than I thought. Let's delete those two files here, by the way. No longer needed. Okay, so we create a solution here. Yeah, then let's open them. Here. Okay, it's not much code here, which I guess helps. Yeah. Okay, let's see if it actually builds. Debug. Yeah. Let's see. I have to say, OmniBlade is really good with setting up projects. I'm not so well versed in CMake stuff. My projects have historically been always chaos, but this is really nice. Eh. Well, I think you should enable multi-threaded compiling. It's a bit slow. Okay, so I still don't fully understand what he exactly wants. Unassemblize just takes apart a binary into assembler, attempting to fix up as much as it can to get an assemblable result. I have no idea what this means. Okay, so it has compiled. That's actually already a good step. Let's see if it actually also launches. So I just put a breakpoint here. Oh, no. We need to set this as startup projects. And there we go. Okay, so it launches. Good. Let me. I cloned unassemblize unassemblize, unassemblize. Did I write it correctly? And have it compiled. Can you give me sample data and command lines you currently use so I can see what it currently does? I'm using main branch. I see that there is a WIP PDB branch. No clue what is the plan with that. Okay, so I think the positive is that there's not so much code here in this particular tool. It uses a lot of other libraries, but this tool itself has 400, 600, yeah, effectively 1000 lines of code, which is not much. Well, plus the headers here, but okay, that's just boilerplate. Yeah, so 1000 lines of code. So this is really small. Yeah, so perhaps we can understand what it does, and then fit in whatever Thompson's needs, and then hopefully he can get back to work on Thyme to make everything nice and work and progress and everything. Yeah. Yeah, so waiting for data from Thompson's. Yeah. It's kind of wild how these texts appear when I click on here. The gray text. Huh. Yeah. Perhaps on the remotes we can manage and we can add, oops, what did I do? Let's put here omniblades, name omniblades. Okay, does this work? Yeah, okay. So I just so that I can see the additional branch here. Yeah. Maybe I rename origin to my name. Could actually do do the same on Thyme. Oh, I already did. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Well, it looks like I need to wait here to get some data. So the plan would be I get the data, I try run this program as a command line, see what it generates, and then try to fit in whatever Thompsons want to have, which I don't understand yet. Plus, I don't understand what this tool does. I have no idea what this stuff here is. Looks wild. Zion check. What is this? Some library. This one. Disassembler library, likely. Yeah. This code is wild. Well, because I don't understand it. Yeah. I think what we should look at is first the main function to see like what does it actually do here. So you have output, format, start, end, config section, list sections, dump sims, verbose help. Okay, so file name for single file output default is program.s. Assembly output format doesn't say what you can put in there. Format. That's not helpful. Here. Egas or MUSM. Okay. One of these two. Okay. Then what? Configuration file. Okay. Starting address of a single function. Starting address of a single function to disassemble. Ending address. Okay. So we give it starting. Okay, but I thought that the tool would give you like would figure out where functions are and stuff. But where do we get this information from where function starts and ends? Yeah, I'm a bit curious about this one. Like do we need to invoke this this tool for every single function? Like that doesn't make sense. So that's a bit weird. Okay, so game dot that is. Okay, let's open generals, English. Let's get game dot dot. Let's put it here into this. And then we invoke this as he says here. Properties, debugging, command line arguments, dump sims game dot dot. I hope that this, where's project here? Solution. Aha, so this is working there. Yeah. Well, let's put debug. Maybe that works. Let's see. Well, it didn't work. Huh. It thinks that there's no argument. Why? Oh, right. That's stupid. Okay, let's try that. All right. Okay, dump sims. Format. Okay, it seems to have read it. Yeah. Config.json. Okay. So I guess it put it in here. Config.json, yeah. Okay, how about we change our working directory to debug? Yeah, let me remove this here. I think that will work. Let's delete this once more. Let's run this. Yeah, okay. So it generated some file here. Let's see what is inside there. So it's probably generates some metadata. Yeah. 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 Okay. But I mean, those functions that are listed in here is not very useful because they are all, yeah, not game-specific files, but just, yeah, Windows API, C functions. Yeah, I don't know how this helps. I guess here that we know, well, that there's no address here. Here. Yeah, but it says start 0. That's weird. Size. Maybe it just comes one after another. That could be. So text is probably all game codes. And some resource data and stuff like that. Yeah, here code. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Yeah, there's nothing I can do now with this. I don't know what the workflow is here. Maybe we get some more intel and then perhaps we can look into implementing whatever Thompson's needs. Right now I have no clue. No clue. But Thompson seems to be very adamant about getting this unassemblize, yeah, to work. Because binary matching appears to be a big deal. Which is understandable because, yeah, it reduces manual labor if it would work well. Yeah. Okay, but so far I have no clue what's going on, but it's okay. It's normal. If you look into something new, you have no clue what's going on. And only when we spend time investigating, inspecting, studying, then we get to understand. Yeah. Or not. when we're not smart enough to understand, then it's game over. Okay, let's take a look here at main. So parsing executable. So this, okay, let's look at this class here, executable. Okay, so there are two outputs. I have no idea what the difference between these is. Section types, data and code, okay. Section info is a data pointer with a byte type with an address, size, and the type, section type. Okay, there's a symbol which has a name. Oh, that's weird. Why is this a reference? Well, whatever. Okay, there's a value and a size. Yeah. Okay. Object section also has a name, start and size. And then another object and the list. Oh, I already get nightmares when I see std list. Oh boy. Performance seems to be no concern here in this tool. Yeah. Okay, so we have executable. This assumes a range of bytes and outputs a format. Okay, our code is very clean. That's a big plus. Binary, pass, file name, leaf. What is leaf? Lib leaf. I don't know. Well, let's take a look. Explore leaf. What is leaf? Leaf projects. Yeah. The purpose of this project is to provide a cross-platform library which can parse, modify, and abstract ELF, PE, and Mac-O formats. Parse. So ELF is for PlayStation. PE is portable executable. It's for Windows. Mac-O, I don't know. Oat, I don't know. Dex, I don't know. These, I don't know. Okay, well, it's to inspect executables, as you could expect. Yeah. Okay. Loading external symbols. Don't try and load an empty symbol. Yeah. Dump objects. Disassemble function. And gas function. Probably GAS. Yeah. Gas. Yeah. Okay, so that's for executable, and then we also have a class for function. Disassemble function. Let's see. Okay. Disassemble. Run the disassembly of the function. Oh. Okay, so it. Oof. Okay. Let's look at the functions. Actually, let's look at the executable functions first. Section data, section address. Okay, there's a disassemble function. Okay, it doesn't support MUSM. Okay, and then from here it goes into func disassemble. Okay. Then it starts here. Yeah. Loop through function once to identify all jumps to local labels and create them. Function once to identify all jumps. Okay. Okay, I would first need to understand, like, what is it actually doing? Instruction is an upward jump, could be at an inline jump tail. If jump tail detection tail. Yeah, it would be interesting to step through with a debugger and see, like, okay, what does it exactly do? And if it's actually easy to see what it does. I mean, it creates some strings, so it's probably, you can probably follow some logic as it goes. Yeah. Okay, yeah, it would be interesting to know what they currently invoke this tool is, and then step through the functions, see what they do, and then we need to understand what they actually want. So what output is this currently generating, and what kind of output do we want instead, and then figure out how we do this. Yeah. Current function name dump. Okay, then I will take a break now, gather some more information, and yeah, perhaps spend some time with this. Let's see. The idea is, I think it would be great if we could progress Thyme. It hasn't been progressing since 8+ months, 6+ months, maybe more. Ever since Johnville took his break, because he found more interesting projects to work on. Yeah, Simon's project is hard, so it's understandable. It's like not the most pleasant project unless you really enjoy this kind of stuff. Yeah, so no one had worked on this, and no one is working on this. I think I've seen Psychana asking a bunch of questions here and there, but yeah, he only created one pull request, so that's not much. Yeah, we need progress, but we don't have developers who actively pump codes, so that's a bit of a problem. Yeah. Okay, anyway, for me it's trying to understand what the next steps are. I have no clue. I'm not expert in this reverse engineering things. All the work that went into Gentoo was mostly trying to figure out things in assembler, which was very cumbersome. But the stuff that Thyme does to get done is the real deal. Yeah, that's the way to properly re-implement the whole game from top to bottom, right? That's way beyond what the work that went into tools like Gentoo. Gentoo, a very small project in comparison, very tiny. I don't have that much expertise on this. I know some things here and there, but yeah, I don't have all the expertise to make Thyme easy peasy implementation. That's hard. It's hard. It's really hard. Thyme is boss level project. Absolutely. If you work on Thyme, you can call yourself boss. You've made it. It's the same kind of boss level as if you would work on a Bitcoin, yeah, or some project like this. The same kind of boss level. It's absolute boss. Yeah. It goes way over my head, but with anything that goes way over our heads, it eventually all makes sense if we spend time with it. If we learn, and maybe we can do this together, learn more of what's going on here, and see what we can do to help progress. Yeah. All right, then. I hope you enjoyed the session. We did get some work done with the language string, so that's good. Hopefully, Mr. DM Green can now continue with his Russian localization fixes, improvements on latest state, so that's good. And I don't know what's going on here with this tool, unassemblize, but we can figure it out. Yeah. All right, then I wish you a great day or night. Until next time, goodbye.